Hello, my name is Lee. My channel is Lee Work at Home. Today's company hires representatives to handle their customer service email, online chat or phone jobs. Ibex Global is a rapidly expanding BPO company, offering innovative and effective solutions to multiple Fortune 500 companies around the world. What is BPO? Business process outsourcing is the practice of contracting a specific work process or processes to an external service provider. The services can include payroll, accounting, telemarketing, data recording, social media marketing, customer support, and more. Ibex is headquartered in Washington, D.C., has delivery locations across 26 sites in 7 countries, and maintains a network of over 19,000 employees. As a customer service representative, you will provide a high-end customer service experience for every customer, mainly dealing with email communications. Salary is $15 per hour. The job is full-time. They provide paid training. Agents will answer scheduling questions from customers and potential customers, and ensure database is updated on each contact. Agents will follow up with customers to retain relationship and satisfaction. Job requirements. Agents will need to provide their own computer, wired internet connection, and headset to be able to handle internet-based communication. Must be able to type at least 25 words per minute, 35 plus words per minute preferred, with minimum errors. Must be 18 years of age or older. Ibex benefits. Strong employee engagement culture. Full-time, permanent opportunities. Career growth, and leadership development programs. Paid training. Competitive pay rates. Paid time off. 401k and match. Medical, dental and vision insurance. Employee referral bonus program. Ibex focus on providing the environment, selection process, benefits and paid training to ensure that agents have the highest caliber. Thank you for joining me today to hear of the customer service work at home position at Ibex. I will leave a link in the comment area where you can visit their career page and read more details and apply if you wish to. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for current job openings. And have a nice day.